phones are Apple for confirm say ebe support iOS 16. iOS 16 means anything be no Apple for be release phone be every year be release phone na ya release with new iOS. Nti e say iPhone 14 eba no ebe na iOS 16 e wo so dada iOS 16 e wo so dada ne no kwa phone that no more release am na twam no omo de update be ba obetimi install e ba Apple for da betuja omo yi phones bi no free na ohwe na o phone no Apple for kase and support and interest say e bi ontimi use WhatsApp na say e bia problem bi say the instance so be nyane say e fa na say ano WhatsApp for kase okay say ye app no ade so mo use iOS 16 enko no metimi install ya eno na ohun be den ohun betimi a chiro kakra se anumanumu haye WhatsApp for be kase bia ade se phones o use iOS 16 kwa na mo betimi use WhatsApp e bia be 5 years or 7 years time but me bobo phones we sunti until phone din wo na chese Apple for release iOS 16 ba officially no untimi install nti wo iOS 15 na hwa na obeka by fan to your team say Apple for the security update be ma nti se won upgrading ko omoma won upgrading ko system kra na omo di ebia wo 15.6 wo omo de bia 15.7 beba and na ebia 15.71 ba for security omo patch ebia some bugs bi oba bia omo be release update aba na fix Apple phone jam sa phone sa ebe support ni iPhone 14 Pro Max send already the phone beba no na omo install it dada nti yambra iPhone 13 iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 13 Pro Max, iPhone 13 Pro, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro Max, iPhone 12 series na iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro Max, iPhone 11, phone ni iPhone 11 na so be support na iPhone X, iPhone XS Max, nti phone ni iPhone XS Max na XX the Sony never support na iPhone 8 na iPhone 8 Plus but see ando omoyi iPhone 7 Plus and 7 and iPhone 6s Plus and first generation no Apple for first generation iPhone no but second generation dey eka ho Apple for phone so second generation SE no second generation no and so bit may install iOS 16 but first generation S no encounter be nti say omo ho akan iPhone 7 Plus 7 na nti say na Apple for cash bia 6 years and 5 years time no ubetimi aiden e say wo upgrade in take effect bia wo apps na we use no say bia wo phone na update na ma na fan kwa iOS 15 nti come boy bia pressure because in take effect bia ide e wo ba just say iOS 16 for no bia ombenya features bia woni nti best thing is obi use iOS 16 phone ko gino enko hwe na why dey akoma boy bia pressure me gidi pass video bebo ama wetin no mo bia se update bia wo ha me update mo channel we so follow tech in on Facebook, YouTube, and subscribe to the channel no with the videos be bro with the videos who here o Ghana ha bia wo ya dey bia unim atena wo ye